Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fenugreek mask for natural hair. So guys, this fenugreek, I just bought it. This is a seed and I bought it from Amazon. And guys, this seed is really rich. It's really rich. Okay, it's really slippery. Let me just go straight to it. What I'll be using is this. I'll be using 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seed. You don't need too much. I don't need too much, guys, and it's super easy to make. If you don't want to spend much money at the shop, you can just go ahead and grab your fenugreek. This whole 500 grams, it cost me, I think, eight bucks. Yes, $8, and this is going to last me for a very long time. Fenugreek seed is mainly found in South Asia, predominantly in India, and it's also used as a household. So what we just need right now is I need a warm water. I'm going to pour my warm water. This water is really hot because it's not really advisable using a cold water. You can just go ahead and use a hot water. This water is really boiled, to be sincere. So after putting it, I'll just go ahead and cover it for 24 hours. I mean overnight. So you just want it to be very soft before blending. Okay guys, you can see the nutrients is popping. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and reserve a little bit of water. So this water, you can use it for a leave-in. Okay, you can use it for a leave-in. Then I'll go ahead and blend as usual. So guys, we all know how to blend, and I'm not going to show this part how I do it, and you guys are going to see the results. Let me talk more about fenugreek seed. Fenugreek is an age-old remedy for hair loss. It stimulates blood flow to the scalp. It nourishes the hair follicles to promote faster and healthier hair. Fenugreek is also a great alternative to store-bought conditioner thanks to its high mucilage content, which sleep like conditioner, and it makes detangling very easy. And if you have dry and frizzy hair, fenugreek can come to your rescue. As you can see, I'm using my strainer to bring out a very smooth paste. So I don't want my hair to be full of leftover pops or whatever. So that is why I'm using my strainer to try and bring it out. As you can see, it was really difficult for me to bring it out. That's why I decided to use my fingers to help it, to push it out. If you don't want to go through this process, you can always grab a fenugreek powder. So it's also good just like the seed. Okay, so guys, you can see how slippery my paste is. So this is a really great conditioner. You can go ahead and add any oil of your choice. You can add coconut oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil. Those are really good. You can use olive oil. You can go ahead. I don't know if I've said that. You can also go ahead and add the oil of your choice. You can also add a plain yogurt to it. Just go ahead and customize it the way you want. So this is my leave-in. So that water, I'm not going to waste it. And likewise, my leftover, I would think of what to do with it.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car.
Applying tan, I will be adding fenugreek oil. So guys, you can, like I said, you can go ahead, and if you want to mix them all together, it's up to you. So this is what I just feel like doing with my hair. Let me go deeper into this. So regular use of this herb as a mask or a deep conditioner will naturally soften your hair. It increases manageability and restore luster and bounce. In addition, fenugreek contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help with dandruff and scalp irritation. Also, if you are losing hair, I recommend this mask. Let's talk about the benefit of fenugreek mask. Okay, it reduces hair loss, it prevents dandruff and promotes healthier hair. It encourages faster hair growth. It moisturizes hair and leaves it feeling soft, shiny, and smooth. It greatly reduces split end and hair breakage. It makes detangling really easy. Okay guys, just go ahead and please watch to the end. If today is your first time coming across my channel, just go ahead and subscribe, turn on the bell, support your girl, and as you do, God will highly reward you. Just keep watching and stay to the end.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack up here, drag you in. Pack up here, in. Drag your backpack here, in. Back coast, hold back there, in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City.